LobbyFox is a software company that makes a visitor management system, but what we really are is a customer-first company.
I'd say we're very customer-oriented. I mean, that's our job, is to gain customers and keep the customers that we have. If you're not happy, you're going to take your business somewhere else. We're going to do what we can to make you happy. Fortunately, a lot of our staff, we're going to do that anyway. That's our training. Whether we're in sales or whether in support, whether in design, you're the one that's paying our bills. We want to make sure that you're getting everything that you're paying for, plus.
Yes, we do have a very manufacturing-centric background, but we found that the best feedback that we get comes straight from our customers. There's a constant back and forth with every single one of our customers on a weekly basis. What are the things you need? What are the features you need? How can we improve check-in at your facility?
I'd say about 30 to 40% of our clientele are DIY / set it and forget it. And fortunately, we've set up our platform to be super user-friendly so that they're able to do it themselves. We don't get worried when we don't hear back from customers because we know that means that it's just fulfilling their needs to the fullest extent.
It's a fairly easy system to administer. If it's your first time looking at it, you need a little hand-holding. FaceTime, video conferencing, we'll do it over the phone. Whatever the customer needs, we're here to help them out with that.
We do have some people that reach out on a very regular basis to ask questions and see if a new feature is being implemented that solves a new need. And we love those customers because they help us find the new solutions we can offer. I know how frustrated I get when I have to deal with a robot on the other end of the phone. We are not a company that you're going to call and get a call center somewhere in India. You're going to call and you're going to talk to an actual employee that works here, and we're going to help you with your problem immediately.
Our customers are not a 9-to-5 operations. They have second and third shifts. They need to track delivery drivers that are coming in, not just the job applicants that are coming in during normal office hours. I'm the one that's going to return your call if you call us at 9 o'clock at night or at 6 a.m. on a Saturday.
The information that we give to and receive from our customers allows us to create a better product for them and every customer down the line.